what's going on, guys? It's Beowulf. Man, we got a Sea Doo video today, taking out the RXT X 300 and the Rubicon. Almost there to the boat launch, and when this video is uploaded, this will be on Christmas Day, and it's actually Christmas Eve today. But you know, you get to delay the video and stuff, whatnot. But hope everybody has a good holiday. Be safe, have fun. Man, I have to tell you a little short story before we get out there. Like where I was a year ago, a year ago, I was in Illinois trying to sell. Well, I sold two houses. So I already sold the one house. I was already selling my second house to be moving down here to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And I remember being like, it was a snowstorm. I had my Jeep SRT. I was doing like donuts and whatnot in the video. And if you look back, you can find the past video from last year. But I have to tell you, man, woo! What a difference a year makes of where I'm at than where I was a year ago. And I have to say, I'm very blessed to be what I've done and accomplished. And I'm really blessed to have awesome subscribers like you guys watching the videos and whatnot. So I really appreciate that. Thumbs up to you guys. But yeah, it's kind of like unsurreal of like last year there was a snowstorm. I think it was like 15 degrees or super cold, and it's like 60 degrees out right now, and I'm going jet skiing. So a year later, I mean, it's just totally crazy. We got a good time. It's like a little over half an hour before it gets dark, and get out there. And today it's not gonna be as like gloomy and crazy water and whatnot. So hopefully we see something cool, like a dolphin. You know, I don't know. A shark would be cool as long as it doesn't eat me. All right. So what's crazy is, man, good, I got this Rubicon. The tide is down super low. I mean, I've came here a lot, this new spot, never seen it this low. I mean, I was basically launching at the end of the dock. The water's so low. Man, it's crazy. Talk about showing flooding. It's crazy. It's like the rivers are flooded and the ocean, the tide's down. It's crazy how all this works. Man, but at least I'm getting a ride. Super happy. That's all I wanted for Christmas. Go ride it. So you can see all the way down there how low the water is. You can see all the land. But it's crazy how low the tide is. Look at that. It's like, usually you can't see those lines from the launch area. hoist, or my life vest sits up real high, then it must be bumping it, and that's what's knocking it place. So I think it would work. It just doesn't make me wearing a life vest. It's more made for motocross. Because I can now see why when you hit, you'd be hitting the life vest. Now I wonder if I stand up the whole time, that it'll actually work. I'll have to try it again and see. So if I stand the whole time, maybe it'll work. It's worth trying it one more time, see what it does. Look at this. Look how crazy the tide, how low it is. The Jeep's almost all the way in the water just to get it in enough to know that I could get the jet ski back on. And that's crazy with the tide. I mean, basically where the Jeep's at right now, it'd be completely underwater normally. The tide is so low. This is crazy. Let me check out this. Got my new Jaws towel. Pretty nice. Man, I can't believe how far the drive in, man. Whew. Well, this looks like it's the end of the video. Hope everybody has an awesome holiday. Thanks for watching. I appreciate my subscribers subscribing to my channel. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Stay positive, be driven to win. Don't eat too much food over the holidays, you know, if you want to try to watch your weight or whatnot. So I'll see you guys back in the next one.